Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my top 10 best selling patterns. I sell them mainly on Etsy, a link in the description box. I would like this video to be short, so let's get started. So number one is that white and pink bubble stitch baby blanket. It's very simple to make and very popular in my Etsy store. Second blanket almost exactly with the first one, baby blanket, pink, white, gray and dark pink, also really simple. Third place, this bubble, again bubble stitch but hard bubble stitch blanket, blue and white. And on the fourth place is exactly same blanket but for the girl, pink and white. Number 5, and again baby blanket, this time is for boy, but of course you can change color and you can make it for the girl. Again very simple, using cluster stitch this time. And number 6, finally we have amigurumi, the ship couple. So male and female ship are very popular in my Etsy store. Number 7, and again blanket, again hearts and again bubble stitch. This time different design. This is my favorite blanket. Number 7, again bubbles, again hearts and again baby blanket. That means bubble stitch is still a thing. Number 9, blanket but this time not bubble stitch, the yellow blanket is also very popular. And number 10, exequo, this little monkey, cheeky monkey, and the beer applique. They are both on the 10th place and both very popular. So that was my 10 top sellers. I hope you guys liked the video. Bye!